So now we are back with the New York session, as always, for gold and EurUSD, and we're going to have a really quick look at the price action. So far we can see that there's a lot of possible fear escalations, and I mean due to the conflict in Israel, it's really delicate situation. So as you can see already from this morning, gold, let's go into trading view. This morning during London session we were looking at gold around 1877, 1878, but look at where it is now. It is currently in the 15-minute, it jumped back up like 200 pips, and we can see that the dollar as well continued its way up to retest this 106.6, and yeah, EurUSD as well, with the dollar strength due to the safe haven status. That's when we can see that the price moved around 30 pips on the downside. Gold, of course, as a safe haven asset during this fear uncertainty period, with these conflicts, that's when its value, its demand grows the most. So that's why we are seeing a very strong upside move on gold. Now, as a scalping wise, what we are looking at, it's actually this sort of price action, and these are the most recent PSAs that we are looking at. On EurUSD now, the same, we are failing to break below these lows, and that's when we are possibly breaking on the upside. So that's when we can, if we create this PSA, we can possibly continue up. I wouldn't just looking for the retest of these highs. I want a breakout of these old highs over here, the repetition over here for the continuation up. And on gold, what I will be looking is actually the same. I mean, you can see now that the price is actually breaking the lows, the highs. So now if we are seeing a retest, that's where I could possibly look for a buy, at these retest highs. Of course, on gold, that will be quite different. Stop loss, take profit. Okay, will be around this size. EurUSD as well is breaking above. So if we get a retest of this highs, I would take a possible buy. Okay, now let's see the price action. This is a possible buy area already for gold. A quick break and retest of these highs and a continuation up. Let's see if we can give us some confirmation, maybe a retest of 1899. So far the 1900s have been failing to break, to hold, so it's not really looking confident in a buy over there. The dollar is getting weaker and weaker, and even on the 1 minute it retested multiple times. Now it's breaking below the last lows, so this is very good information for the strength on EurUSD, especially. Here, as you can see, gold retested these lows. This one would have been like a 6 pips drawdown, and probably yeah, so that's an entry over there. Would have been now into the profits realm, but yeah, I didn't take it, as you can see. Well, would be already like 10 pip in profits. EurUSD is not giving us the retest of the PSA, but if we get a strong breakout and a retest of these highs, that's where we could see it. Dollar is weak, and gold is pushing up with its now above the 1900. That's where we can see a quick spike up to at least, yeah, we will be very close to ATP already, at 1902.7. As you can see, yeah, that would have been already a profitable entry. $35 pips already. TP would have been it, and yeah, also 45 pips TP. Okay, now what I'm feeling is deep frustration. And I mean, I asked why didn't I take any entry? It was there. It was the candle close. Reacted exactly where I wanted. There's volume, there's volatility. I don't understand why I'm not taking the entries, honestly. And that makes me feel so sick. EurUSd gave us the retest of these highs, but I mean not the candle close. And the gold is moving way much more compared to EurUSd. You can see how on the 20-tick chart price gave us this opportunity over here, and I failed to act on it. And that's because I'm being governed by fear. Look, 70 pips in a matter of three minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. That was 70 pips. So that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That sucks. That sucks. That sucks. That sucks. 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 Sucks so much. It's not even funny. And I miss also this opportunity. Let's see these lows. Gold is moving much more due to this various escalation of the conflict. As you can see over here, you can see stop development is vital. So as you can see how it is very important. Look at the spike up. Now we also had export sales. We had some news. So we really went up like more than 100 pips in the last 5 minutes, and I was not even part of it. I missed this trade as well. This is only 5 pips, so that's really reasonable, but you can see how gold is pushing up, and yeah, that's just doesn't make any sense. You can see how gold went 120 pips, 120 fucking pips in a few minutes, and I was not part of it. So why? What is the problem? What is the problem? Why is it happening? Why is this happening?